Hello, this is a quick video to demonstrate how to use quick grading in your Moodle course. What you'll simply do is just click on an assignment that is locked in on your Moodle content page. So let's click on the essay on social distancing. The next step to use quick grading is to scroll to the bottom of your summary screen and click on View All Submissions. This is going to take you to your student submission page. And what I'd like to do, the option has already been selected. But when you first enter this screen, you're going to be greeted with a list of your participants, and you're going to be able to see their submissions here, whether they be Word documents or online text. What you simply want to do to enable the quick grader or quick grading feature is scroll to the bottom under options. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a check mark in this box called quick grading. Moodle is going to refresh the screen, and when you scroll back down, you'll be greeted with a few open cell blocks so you can enter the grade. And if you scroll over to the right, you also have a field where you can enter your feedback and comments for each student's submission. And once you finish adding grades, for example, we're going to give Jerry a 89 out of 100. We're going to click on Save All Quick Grade Changes. Okay. Moodle's going to refresh. It's going to give you an update saying that the grade change was saved. And the advantage of using quick grading is that it doesn't allow overrides. It happens a lot when instructors enter the grades on the viewing or the grader setup screen. It's more accurate and it's a lot quicker to go to this page, look at a submission, enter the grade, and enter some feedback. I really hope this video helps, and thank you.